Okay, what we're going to be looking at today is how to add Loom to a computer or to a Chromebook. It works the same either way through Chrome. Okay, so first thing you have to do is open up your Chrome browser, go up to Apps, click on Web Store down in the right hand corner, do a search for Loom. You can see it comes up first right here. It may come up one or two down on yours. It all can vary depending on your search, as I've seen before. Next, you're going to want to just click on Add to Chrome. It's going to ask for this, tell it Add Extension. And you'll see down here at the bottom, it is loading the extension up. And after the extension is added, it will appear up here with your other extensions. As you can see right here, it says use extension by clicking this icon or by using a shortcut of Alt, Shift, and L. So okay, we'll close that. Next thing you're going to do is right click on this. Loom for Chrome. Sign in. You're going to sign in with your Google account. I'm using my home account since this is already installed on my school account. So it's going to look just a little bit different right here. Okay, and once you're in, you are ready to go. You may get some questions that pop up asking you, is this for school or education or stuff like that. Just choose for education and you'll get the one that you want. And once you've done this, you are good to go. That's all there is to adding this. For you to start it, simply click back on Loom. Now we're going to go through the setup. It's asking about the microphone and camera on your laptop or your computer or for your Chromebook. Give it one click access. Tell it allow. And now you're ready to start using Loom. As you can see, everything has popped up from here right now. It will show you screen cam, screen only, cam only. These are your choices that you can have. With screen cam, if you're doing something for students and you want them to see, this is a good option to have. With screen only, it's only going to present your screen. As you can see, it takes that out there, shows a photo. Or you can have the camera only, where it's only going to take and record you through the camera. Also, if you come down here and you look at this, I'm going to go back to screen and cam. If you hold your cursor over the picture, not the picture, but the screen view of you, you see these three dots. You can change the size. You can also drag it wherever you want. Right here, this will hide the menu. So also, you can open the menu back up. And to start recording, you simply click here. And that's it. What I will show you next is how to do this and how to do a screen capture for those who need to write out math equations or draw for their students. Something that will help you a lot for your lesson creation or getting points across to students while working from home, or for creating lessons that the students can independently go through on their own. Okay, now that we've got Loom installed, what we want to do is go in and see how we can use Smart Learning Suite Online to be used for doing examples of different things like math, chemistry, and stuff that we need to write on the board and show the students how to work out. Okay, so let's run over here. We'll click on our Google Apps. We'll go to Drive. When you get to Drive, you're going to want to create a folder. I've already got a folder created that I'm using called SLSO. I'll go in it. The next thing I'm going to do is go to New, hover over More, come down to Smart Learning Suite. Click on that. And what we're going to do is we're going to use Smart Learning Suite as basically a scratch pad to do our drawings or to work out examples on. What you're going to want to do when this comes up is click on New Page. Okay, whenever your page comes up, this is what it's going to look like. First thing you're going to want to do is remove any text that's on there. Then you're going to title it. I'm just going to call this Demo. And then finish editing. Now you have a page that you can now do write-up on. You can also move things around. So simply, how do we do the write-up on it? You're going to come over here and use the pen and the eraser. Now let's take a look at this and see how Loom goes with it. Alright, when you get ready to record, the first thing you want to do is choose Loom. You can have the camera and screen, which gives you down here with the camera recording you. You can have screen only. You can choose full desktop. You can take and turn off audio, which would defeat what we're doing. But all you need to do to go ahead and start is click Start Recording. Notice everything is going to change for a second. Now you're given a choice of screens. The reason I have a choice of screens is I have dual monitors up. I'm going to choose screen 1, which is where I'm working at. Share. It gives you a countdown. And then you can begin to simply do this. You can come over, click on the pen, choose the width of the marker or pen that you want, choose your color. You have wide selection, and then you can start doing your markup. And then you can start working out the problems and showing how it works out. Now I did that using my mouse. If you have a touch screen, whether it be on a laptop, a computer with a touch desktop, I should say, the touch screen, or Chromebook, it does make it easier. So as you can see, you could be doing whatever you need to work out. If you wanted to do this a little bit differently, you could actually add some pictures in from the other, but this will get you started. And if you fill up the whole page there, you can always add another page and continue. And then once you're through, come down here, click on the little finish recording. It will then take you out to your Loom account, and it will give you options. Now you can see here it says add link to page you recorded on, or send your video. What you're going to do most of the time, if not all the time, is you are going to send your video, or you're going to copy the link, is what you just need to do. So just click on that. Now you can put that link into your Google Classroom. You can email that link. You can share that link out to the public, and your students will be able to see it. That's all there is to do. This was quick and easy. If you have any questions, contact your ITRT or myself. Thank you, and have a wonderful and safe day.